bilang nag-usap nila kami, Director CAPG at saka Director HSS for that purpose. And sa tingin namin, kailangan may necessary protocols na as per the San Miguel Island Justice System.
Yun pong pagdalaw, ma'am, ni VP Sara, ni Senador Robin Cabilla, hindi po ninyo nabatid po yun?
Merong communication, si Senator Cabilla. Yun lang yung naisip.
Ma'am, si Sir Robin po ay nagpaalam before siya pumunta sa...
There was a communication.
Where was it allowed to at that time? Why was it allowed to at that time?
There is a, parang meron silang pag-uusapan. Senator
But sir, ma'am, ano po ang pinapayagan ng walang makabisita sa abuse of the family and yung mga legal counsel? How come sila po ay napayagan?
Senator
CIDG ba ma'am bahala kung nagsasabi kung pwede?
Yes, CIDG siguro mas maganda yung the PIO of the Philippine National Police. They have all the information. They consolidate all the information with the PIO and CIDG, of course, sila yung arresting officers.
So, CIDG po ang nag-decide kung sino po yung pwede na bisita?
Yes.
So pag ngayon, magiging stricto na po tayo sa
As a
pagpayag.
requirement from the Sandigan Bayan Justices, of course.
Ngayon po
We will comply with the Sandigan Bayan.
sa kondisyon po ni Senador Marcoleta ngayon, wala na kong papayagan maging bisita na aside dun sa mga immediate target.
As of now, yes. And siguro mas proper yung matanong is CIDG, the arresting officers. Kami naman, we will just comply with the requirement, of course, of the Sandigan Bayan and the arresting officers. Kami for the health purpose. So, gaya ng sinabi namin, we apologize that there are some lapses na nakita and we will comply with the requirement of the Sandigan Bayan.
One clarification, when BP and Padilla visited, naka-face mask ba sila or mga kasama nila?
Actually, only the VP, only the Vice President went inside. Limited talaga ang pwedeng pumasok sa loob.
But is she
Tapos
wearing
kanagin
face
namin
mask?
face mask siya.
During that time, I didn't ko lang.
Ma'am, just for the record po, kaninong labs po yung nakapag-report si Senator Padilla at Vice President kay Senator Marcoleta?
Actually, there are no lapses. I don't know with the security kasi it's because of LPG. I'm just saying about the lapses that he forgot to say na kailangan nakamasa sila because of the condition of the Senator. Yun lang yung hiningi ko na apologize kasi yun lang yung covered ko. But when you talk about arresting, kung anong nangyari, sino papayagan, it will be for the CIDG to decide.
Ma'am, moving forward, maglalabas po ba ang order ng PNP Health Service para po ma-minimize na po or makontrol kung sino lang po yung allowed na bumisita kayo sa mga?
Pagbalik namin ngayon, we will talk about everything, yung mga nakita namin na lapses, and of course, yung taking into consideration yung sinabi ng Sandigan Bayan. We would like, ayun talaga yung ano namin, to comply with the Sandigan Bayan orders.
Ma'am, full name and designation po?
All name.
Full name and designation po.
Police Brigadier General Porcio Manala, the PNP Health Service.